Need to get a file in somebody else's hands? With Dropbox, sharing is easy and secure, even if the recipient doesn't have an account. First, locate the file or folder you want to share. Hover over it, then select Share. Next, you'll want to type out the names or emails of the people that you'd like to share the file or folder with. Choose whether they can edit or view it. Add a quick note if you'd like, then select Share. They'll get an email with a link to jump right in. But what if you prefer to just send a link? Select Copy Link and send it anywhere, like a messaging app or email. Need to control the access? You can navigate back to the share screen to change a user's viewing or editing permissions. Or you can also remove the user from the file or folder entirely. And there's even more ways to share. Want something that people can scan? Open the More Ways to Share menu and select Create QR Code. Then save it and share the image so anyone can scan it for a view-only version. Are you sending large files or a batch of files to someone that just needs to download it? Use Dropbox Transfer. From the same screen, select Transfer a Copy, Create Transfer, then send the link or email. Recipients can download it without a Dropbox account, and you can add a password or expiration date for extra control. And you just learned how to share your files easily and securely using Dropbox. If this helped, make sure to share it with someone who needs it. And if you enjoyed this type of content, please like and subscribe to our channel, where we'll be bringing you more creative ways on how to use Dropbox. Thanks for watching.